Potty Training for Beginners, a guide for parents. How to help your child overcome the fear of the bathroom and make potty training a positive experience. Introduction. Potty training is a significant milestone in both your child's life and yours. It's exciting, but can also come with challenges, particularly because the bathroom can seem like a scary and unfamiliar place for young children. This guide is designed to help parents introduce potty training in a way that makes their child feel safe, comfortable, and empowered. With patience, a positive attitude, and a little preparation, you can create a potty training experience that's both smooth and successful. Chapter 1. Understanding the fear. Before diving into the potty training process, it's important to recognize why the bathroom may be intimidating for your child. Common fears include the unknown. The bathroom is often filled with unfamiliar sounds, flushing, water running, smells, and new routines. Feeling small in a big world. Toilets can seem large and overwhelming to a small child. Loss of control. For the first time, they are being asked to do something on their own, which can lead to anxiety. Solution. Normalize the bathroom experience. Spend time with your child in the bathroom when you aren't focused on potty training. Let them sit on the potty fully clothed, flush the toilet, and turn on the faucet just to get familiar with the space. Chapter 2. Creating a comfortable environment. The key to successful potty training is making the bathroom a place where your child feels safe and comfortable. Here are a few ways to create a positive environment. Choose a child-friendly potty. If the regular toilet seems too daunting, consider using a small, portable potty. Let your child choose one they like, perhaps one with their favorite character or color. Create a potty routine. Introduce a consistent routine where your child sits on the potty after meals, before bed, or at regular intervals during the day. This creates predictability, which can be comforting. Personalize the space. If possible, personalize the bathroom a bit for your child. Hang a fun picture, bring in a favorite stuffed animal for moral support, or choose a special potty seat. Allow them to feel some ownership over this new process. Keep it relaxed. Avoid any sense of urgency or pressure. Let your child explore the potty at their own pace. If they just want to sit there without using it, that's progress. The goal is to associate the bathroom with positive feelings. Chapter 3. Timing is key. Potty training should start when your child is ready, both physically and emotionally. If you push them too soon, the process can become frustrating and even backfire. Signs of readiness include staying dry for longer periods of time, showing interest in using the toilet or imitating others, expressing discomfort with wet or soiled diapers, understanding basic instructions. Don't rush the process. Patience is essential. Start potty training when your child shows these signs, and remember that every child is different. Some might take to it quickly, while others may need more time. Chapter 4. The importance of positive reinforcement. Children thrive on praise and encouragement, especially when trying something new. Celebrate every small victory in the potty training process. Praise efforts, not just successes. Even if your child doesn't use the potty, praising them for trying will boost their confidence. For example, "You did such a great job sitting on the potty today." Create a reward system. Some parents find success with reward charts, stickers, or a small treat when their child makes progress. However, keep rewards balanced so your child doesn't feel pressured to succeed. Chapter 5. Making the experience enjoyable. Potty training doesn't have to be a chore. You can make the experience enjoyable by incorporating fun elements into the process. Use potty time books or songs. There are plenty of books and songs specifically designed to make potty training fun. Reading a potty-related book while your child is sitting on the potty can help them feel more engaged. Encourage independence. Allow your child to have some control over the process. Let them flush the toilet, pick out their new underwear, or decide when they're ready to try the potty. Chapter 6. Handling setbacks with grace. Accidents will happen. It's a normal part of potty training. The key is to respond calmly and reassuringly when they do. Never scold or punish your child for accidents. Instead, remind them that it's okay and encourage them to try again next time. Tips for handling setbacks. Stay calm. Your reaction sets the tone. If you remain calm and understanding, your child is less likely to become anxious or discouraged. Reassure your child. Remind them that everyone has accidents and that it's part of learning. Say something like, "That's okay. We'll try again later." Consistency is key. Stick to your routine.